What are you doing?
Nothing.
She okay? What is this, George? What are you doing?
I don't know. There's a little life in there. Maybe I can help it.
George, it's not a fertile egg.
You don't know that, but they might have gone down.
Come here, you're in the dark. Where's the light in this house?
Don't turn on the lights.
Wait, just a second. What are you doing?
Learning.
It's not a fertile egg, George.
Okay, it doesn't matter. You're not gonna put this up.
What are you doing? No, really though, what are you, like, this is very hopeful.
Who knows? Maybe we'll get a little thing out of it.
I can't even with you. You're so, I come downstairs and this is what you've done.
What do we want out of it?
It's not, there's nothing happened in there.
Having like their moments with each other.
They had no moments.
You never know.
I'm dying, I can't.
What if we get a little bird out of that?
It's impossible.
It's not impossible.
It is
There is
impossible.
a chance.
There's no chance.
There is a chance.
I can't with you. I'm dying right now. You're so crazy. Is the egg in there?
It is.
Oh my God, I can't stop.
Alright, enough.
Oh my God. I literally thought, George, I thought you had Cody down here. I was like, what is he doing? Oh my God.